Ready to go wait for the bus, Shandon?
Yeah, here.
Yeah?
We don't hear it.
Huh?
We can't hear it.
Can't hear it. We can go watch.
We can't hear it.
No? Look at Mom real quick. You're so cute. Let me see your school bag. Where are you going?
I don't know.
You don't know where you're going?
Oh, here.
Are you going to school?
Yeah.
Are you going to the bus?
Yeah.
Do you like riding the bus? Are there any cute girls on the bus?
Yeah.
Really?
He's scary.
Oh no. Are you gonna be like your papa?
Yeah.
That's not good. Daddy can't stick to one girl, you know. You're not gonna be able to either? You're gonna have more than one girlfriend? Are you gonna have more than one girlfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, great. You are a junior. Maybe I shouldn't change your middle name to Sean. But you are a Shandon Sean, aren't you?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. I'm gonna teach you not to be a slut like your daddy. You can only like one girl at a time, okay? And when you tell her you love her, you don't tell her that unless you mean it. And when you get her pregnant, you stay with her forever. You don't get a whole bunch of different girls pregnant, okay, baby?
Oh.
That's a lesson. Because you have a whole bunch of half-brothers. And if you just stick with one girl, they'll all have the same brothers, the same moms, okay? Isn't that a good idea? Give me 5. Promise, pinky. Thank you. Give me a kiss, too. Mwah.
Wee! The snow's fun!
I know.
I like snow.
You like?
You like snow?
Yeah, except I'm cold. I only got my M&M shirt on. It's not even zipped, and I'm in my pajamas. You're laughing? You think that's funny?
Yeah, I don't see it. Wow! We're playing. We're playing, Mama.
You're playing? I can't tell the difference if I have the flash on or the flash off. Maybe I could right in front of me. You are a crazy boy. Where's that bus of yours? I gotta be babysitting Lane in there. Honey. Maybe we should go back inside and wait. You don't want to? Well, I know, but I don't want Lane to hurt himself. I said I don't want Lane to hurt himself.